Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Steam on a PC. To start, go to the link that we left you in the video description. Here, click on Install Steam, wait for the file to download. Then when you open the file, you must click Yes to grant permission. Then in the wizard, select the installation language. After that, select the installation directory. After this, click on Install. Wait for Steam to be installed. When you click Finish, the automatic update of the application will begin. You must wait for it to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now it is possible to log in. If you do not have an account, click Create a free account and follow the steps of the wizard. When entering the user for security, you must enter the code that arrives at the registered email. You can see that you have access to Steam on PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.